Bored with brushing? Step it up with BluBrush. Sing as you clean. Liven up your morning routine with BluBrush.
BluBrush is an electronic toothbrush that streams music from streaming sources such as Spotify, iTunes, and Pandora. This way, our consumers can listen to their favorite music during their morning, daily, and nightly routines. Our firm size is small and we do not do mass exportation. We specifically aim towards a certain target market, including customers ages 16 to 30 who are technology savvy and enjoy listening to music. They are in the middle to upper class and have discretionary income. Because BluBrush is not a necessity, we like to call it a luxury product, and we want to aim towards people who have the disposable income to be able to afford BluBrush and enjoy it. BluBrush's manufacturing location is based out of Brooklyn, New York. BluBrushes are also shipped out of Brooklyn, New York at the port of Red Hook. This way, it is convenient to transport our merchandise with reduced shipping costs. Our shipping destination and customer location is located in London, the United Kingdom. Merchandise is shipped into the Port of London and from there distributed to the retailers Boots, which is like a Walgreens in America, and ASDA, which is like a Walmart. We chose these retailers because they carry a wide variety of products and will allow our BluBrush to be well recognized by consumers.
We use 3 different types of transportation methods. The first being motor carrier from BluBrush factory to Red Hook container terminal. The second being an ocean carrier from Red Hook container terminal to the Port of London. And our last method would be motor carrier again from the Port of London to retailer locations across London, UK. The itinerary for BluBrush is 1 day from the BluBrush factory to Red Hook container terminal, 8 days from Red Hook container terminal to the Port of London, and 1 to 2 days from the Port of London to retailers, where BluBrush is then made available for sale to consumers. In conclusion, the total lead time is around 10 to 11 days.
Since we are based in America, where the national language is English, and our main exporting location is in the United Kingdom, where the national language is also English, we do not need to change the labeling on the package to accommodate different languages, since there are no linguistic differences between the two countries. Also, our suggested retail price is $35 or roughly £28. We will have to change the labeling to accommodate the different currencies, but luckily since we only export to one main location, this will only happen once. Because we are an inexperienced, young, and small company, we require an international freight forwarder. We will be using ASF Logistics to control our shipping overseas and also to transport the goods by motor carriers to the Port of London, from the Port of London to the individual retailers. This removes a lot of the stress around shipping the products overseas, and it is worth the extra cost to us to not have to deal with the hassle that comes with shipping those products overseas. We chose ASF Logistics because they are an American-based company in Mobile, Alabama, and serve all major U.S. ports like Red Hook.
For documentation, we will use a pro forma invoice. We will prepare the invoice to establish the terms of sale and payment. Then, retailers will obtain a letter of credit using the pro forma invoice and submit it to ASF Logistics. We then will use a commercial invoice, which is a final version of the pro forma that outlines terms of sale, payment, and the itinerary. We will submit the electronic export information to the government, and then we will finally create a packing list detailing the product description and number of products. Our product is 1 electric toothbrush per package with AAA batteries and 1 extra toothbrush head and directions. And we will have 259 products in a container, and the freight forwarder will then complete the remaining documentation. We have chosen to use FOB, which is free on board, and the seller, which is us, pays for all of the items listed. We have chosen to use a letter of credit because we are a new company, and our confirming bank will be the TD Bank in Brooklyn, New York.
BluBrush has really changed my life. Before, I would wake up, just have a normal start to my day, but now I can be excited to get up in the morning and listen to my favorite songs, all because of this little brush. I feel energized and refreshed in the morning, all throughout the day, and have my favorite songs stuck in my head. I've told all my friends about this great product. It's so easy to use with high quality speakers that anyone will love. I'm so glad that I found BluBrush. It's impacted my life in so many ways, and I just love it so much. Ah, dang it, hold on.
Woo!
Emily! Woo!